Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to use wax to improve your hand sewing. By coating your thread in wax before hand sewing, you will reduce tangles and strengthen your thread. Wax will usually come in a disc shape, so it's easy to coat your thread. Once you have your length of thread cut, place one end over the edge of the wax. Then, slowly pull your thread across the edge. Next, you will need to seal your wax. Use a low heat setting on your iron with the steam turned off. Place the iron down on one end of the thread and then pull the thread under the iron. Don't worry about the wax getting on the iron. It won't damage it. And if there is extra wax left behind, use a piece of cotton material to clean your iron. Now you are ready to sew a strong, secure seam. Thanks for watching! Check out some of these other videos that pair nicely with this one.